Look, if you're a homeowner right now and you're looking to do some projects to your house, something that you've been waiting to do for the whole winter, maybe this whole year, you're like, finally, I'm going to do this project. Let's call a couple contractors. Let's call some handyman. Let's get some landscapers over to our house to do this retaining wall, to do the fence, to do an addition, to do whatever you want to do right now. Let me tell you, it is very difficult to find somebody in this market. It is the summer peak season. It's not just the real estate market. This is, I would say, the contractors market right now. Like, they are so busy that if you try to get somebody right now to do a project, expect at least a month to 2 months of waiting just for them to have an opening to do simple basic jobs, right? I'm getting this call a lot lately from past clients. People are like, hey, we're trying all of our contacts, we're reaching out to a whole bunch of people, but honestly they can't find anybody that's going to be able to do the job before the summer even ends. And it's just because it's summertime. Everybody wants to, the summer, the school's out, they're going on trips, perfect time for them to leave town so they can get the house worked on. You need to have had this planned out, a month, 2 months ago to get it done today. But the thing is, like, when you're getting houses fixed up for sale, the other thing that you want to look at is it's going to cost you a little bit more money to do the work now versus, like, let's say in the wintertime. 6 months ago, you could probably get that project done for $1,000, $2,000, or even more, less than what you could do it for now. It's costing a lot of money because they have so many jobs that are coming at them right now for any kind of jobs that, to put you in line, this is one trick that you might want to do. You want to pay them a little, extra to get you pushed up ahead of another customer that got a bid. Money talks, right? So that's one thing that I'm doing right now. So, like, if we're fixing up a house and we're getting it ready for sale, it's awesome to have relationships with the same people, working with the same people over and over again, and not working with too many people to where you give enough business to where you could get favors done. Like, I have a lot of projects right now and I'm helping a lot of clients, and the guys that I work with, we have a really long lasting relationship. Like, have been giving them business for years, and the same painter, same landscaper, same handyman, same floor guys. If I need something done, this is when that time steps in. Like, I could get something done within a weekend, maybe, a couple days, where other people, if they, randomly you were to call them and try to get something done, they're going to be pushed out about a month or two. And so this is where the connections with realtors right now are really going to help you take advantage of this market and sell in this peak season and still get your house ready the way you need to. So think of those things. But even if you're not thinking about selling, just expect to pay a super premium on the contracting. The materials are already high, but the labor has gone up because the demand has gone up so much. Like, they're swamped. They can't take any more business. And that's the other thing, is some contractors might take your business right now, but it's going to take them still, like, maybe 1 week's worth of work. It's going to drag them out like a month, 2 months to get your bathroom remodel finished, because they probably have 10 to 15, 20 different projects going on at all these different houses, because they don't know how to say no to some jobs because they wanted the money. But honestly, they can't take that capacity. So you got to choose your contractors wisely right now. And just want to let you guys know, because I'm getting a lot of calls. A lot of our agents are, reaching out like, hey, do we have somebody for this? Do we have somebody for that? And honestly, right now, everybody's swamped, and just expect to wait a little longer. But the trick is, right now, offer them another $1,000, $2,000. Hey, can you squeeze me in, get me in any sooner? What if I pay a little extra to make it happen? So, little trick right there, but just want to kind of let you know and be aware of what the market is right now with contractors and getting some work done on your house. So good luck out there. I still do have contacts, so let me know if you guys need anybody, and I'll be happy to share my contacts with you.